Are you a realtor tired of lackluster showings? Imagine walking into a home that sparkles, where every corner shines brightly. At TidyTex Home Cleaning, we know the secret to transforming properties into irresistible showcases. As a retired Army veteran-owned service based in San Antonio, we bring discipline and dedication to every job we undertake. Our professional cleaners focus on ensuring your homes are ready to captivate potential buyers with quick turnaround times and meticulous attention to detail. Whether it's prepping for an open house or a last-minute showing, we help you close deals faster by creating a welcoming atmosphere that buyers can't resist. Here's a tidy tip for you. Before a showing, open all the blinds and turn on the lights. A bright, inviting space helps highlight a home's best features and makes buyers feel right at home. Want to elevate your listings and make a lasting impression? Let TidyTex bring that sparkle to your properties. Check the video description for more details and contact us today to schedule your cleaning. We're here to ensure your homes shine when it matters most, making your job just a little easier and more successful.